그렇게 올라가 계세요. 그래서 굉장히 처음에는 카리스마 있다 그런 생각 많이 했었는데 볼수록 굉장히 선함 게 느껴져서 너무 친근해요.
Okay. So, ang first impression niya raw kay Mr. Ben Chan, parang napaka-strong ng kanyang personality, di ba? Ang mukha niya, is, you know, dahil siguro sa kanyang singkit na mata, medyo malakas ang dating niya. But the more he got to talk to him, he realized that he was such a great man, a very kind man, at he was able to warm up to Mr. Ben Chan. Okay? At ganyan talaga ang personality niya. He's very friendly, he's very open. Oo, I can testify to that. Okay, let's move on to our next question.